issued a check to the customer, my lord, which money was deposited in the cooperative society, my lord, and that check was bounced, my lord. This is the allegation, my lord.
Initially, petitioner was appointed in central bank or not?
Central bank, my lord.
But you are state agriculture assistant.
There was another branch, my lord, the central bank Adhikari Samiti, my lord, and petitioner was chairman of that, my lord. No any loss to the image of the bank, my lord.
No?
No any loss of image to the bank, my lord.
No financial loss.
No financial loss, my lord. You lord, pardon me, lord, I got the file just half an hour before, my lord. I received the file half an hour before.
And here.
The file was with the senior counsel, my lord.
All right, we will look into and pass orders. We can't wait for.
I am not ready on the full brief, my lord. Just I got the brief.
No, sir. Sorry, we will.
The brief fact of the case which I have emerged from the file, my lord. That appellant was working as a manager, my lord. And the writ petition only discuss about the quantum of the punishment which has been awarded to the appellant, my lord. The appellant has been awarded the punishment for the forceful retirement.
What is the date of framing of article of charges?
The charges was framed on 20/8/2007, my lord. That was annexure 4 of writ petition, my lord. 323 of the writ petition. Charge sheet dated in 20/6/2007. Relevant person 24 annexure 1.
Initially, petitioner was appointed in central bank or not?
Central bank, my lord.
But you are state agriculture assistant.
There was another branch, my lord, the central bank Adhikari Samiti, my lord, and petitioner was chairman of that, my lord. The allegation is that the petitioner issued a check to the customer, my lord, which money was deposited in the cooperative society, my lord, and that check was bounced, my lord. This is the allegation, my lord. And that is the cooperative society of the bankers, my lord, bank staff, my lord. It is not the person of the appellant, my lord. The only allegation was the check was bounced and later the money was also cleared to the customer. Customer was having his FD account in the bank, my lord. When his FD was matured, he reinvested in the cooperative society, my lord, of the bank, my lord. And before maturity, he came and he asked for his money, my lord. And therefore, pre-matured amount was paid to him through the 5 checks, my lord. And 1 check was immediately cleared and 4th check was bound due to the insufficient of fund, my lord. So there was no any harass to the bank, my lord. Because there is a separate account of this. Central Bank Adhikari Gri Nirman Swalambi Sahkari Samiti. It's not that any amount was misappropriated by the appellant.
What happened to your appeal?
My appeal was dismissed, my lord. Then I filed this.
What is the date of dismissal of your appeal?
4/2/2009, my lord. Annexure 1 to the writ petition.
Last question, sir.
On what ground you are challenging civil authorities?
Telling me, lord, there is no any loss to the image of the bank, my lord.
No?
No any loss of image to the bank, my lord.
No financial loss.
No financial loss, my lord. Petitioner appellant issued the check in the capacity of the chairman of Central Bank Adhikari Gri Swalambi Samiti, my lord.
What happened to that check?
That 1 check was cleared and 4 check was bounced, my lord, due to the insufficient fund, my lord, and later on all the amount was returned to the depositor, my lord.
What are the other ground?
And there were no any other allegation, my lord. This is the only ground, my lord, that
The only ground means we can't appreciate.
there was no any loss to the bank, my lord.
That is not the ground. You have committed misconduct, that's all.
I have not conducted the misconduct with the bank, my lord.
Huh?
Being a capacity of chairman of the Sahakari Nirman Grih Nirman Samiti of the bank association, my lord.
No, as a chairman.
As a chairman of that society, my lord. That is not part of the bank, my lord. That is separate from the bank, my lord.
Where are the charges?
Charges is at page 24, my lord.
No, as an assistant manager, not
Yes, I was as an assistant manager, but check was issued in the capacity of the chairman, my lord, not in the capacity of assistant manager.
No, you are asked to discharge the post of chairperson when you are holding the post of assistant manager.
Manager.
You are.
I was working in the bank, my lord, and there was a society
Charge sheet, there is nothing to say that you are a chairperson.
in
The
the
capacity of chairperson,
order sheet, my lord, in the page number 7 of the
sir, in the
order.
charge memo, read the charge.
Yeah, they have not said so, my lord. In the memo of charge, my lord, they have denoted me as assistant manager, my lord.
May I explain?
Then what is the basis to say that as a chairman of the concerned bank capacity, you have issued the checks?
That has come in the order impugned, my lord. Internal page 7 of the orders, my lord. Mentioning in the name of the Awara Chowk branch of MMDC certificates issued by the Central Bank Adhikari, Grih Nirman Swalambi Sahakari Samiti, Sahu Pokhar, and giving back the debt to the effect. Internal page 7 of the.
No, sir, reading of the charge, nowhere it is stated that
No, it is nowhere.
you are a chairperson.
No, in that they have not stated that, my lord.
Then on what basis you say that I was holding the chairperson post and issued the check?
Yes, that has come in the order impugned also, my lord. Internal page 7, my lord.
No, everywhere it is shown as assistant manager. Nowhere it is stated that you are a chairperson of.
Order impugned everywhere it is, has been stated that I am the chairman of that.
And assistant manager only has committed this mistake.
Anything else, sir? You have no case. Because as a assistant manager, you have been subjected to disciplinary proceedings, not with reference to chairperson.
That's what I am submitting, your lord. As a assistant manager, my lord, no misconduct has been conducted by me, my lord. Whatever the check was issued by me, my lord, which points on which the complaint was raised, my lord, that was in the capacity of the chairman, my lord.
No, sir. Please don't use the word chairman. One second. The article of the charge, nowhere it states that in the capacity of chairperson you have done this.
Order impugned, I've gone through I could not get it today, pass over for the day, my lord. I will show your lordship. But
No, charge memo states that you are already a retired, compulsory retired.
yes, compulsory retired person. I have
On what date you have compulsory retired?
by punishment this one.
This one was
I was given compulsory retirement on 8/5/2008. my lord.
Huh?
8/5/2008.
next
8/5/2000?
8. Annexure 8 to the writ petition, my lord.
You are already compulsory retired.
I have already compulsory retired, my lord.
Then where is the question of once again initiating inquiry against you?
No, even I have retired from the main also, my lord. Even after this, my lord.
Sir, once you are retired as a compulsory, where is the master and servant relationship? For initiation of inquiry on 4th February 2009. No, this is authority order.
That is the period of the article of charges is
Article of charges are
at annexure 4 at page 23.
43.
Charge sheet. Mr. V.K. Rao, Manager Branch Office, Dumra, is hereby informed to the purpose a disciplinary departmental inquiry against him in the regard to the imputation of the misconduct set up in the included article of charges annexure 1. Annexure 1 is at page 24, my lord. While functioning as assistant manager of the Awara branch Bank 20/9/2099 to 14 Mr. V.K. Rai, manager Dumra branch, was committed following acts of the Commissioner and Omissions Bureau. Mr. Rai has managed transfer of deposit to 2,60,800 from a joint HSS account number so and so in the name of Devendra Mahato, a customer of our Amara Bank, for the purpose of the reinvestment in MMDC, and got its credited transfer to the CD account number 103 maintained in the Mahara Chowk branch in the name of the Central Bank Adhikari Grih Nirman Swalambhi Sahkari Samiti, Sakhopur, Muzaffarpur.
Serious misconduct.
The
Any legal ground is there?
yes,
So that
the depositor wanted to reinvest their money, my lord.
Huh?
The depositor, my lord, whose FD was.
Sir, we are not concerned with that. We are not on merits. Any legal issue is there, please apprise.
Yes, we have not transferred, my lord. On the request of the depositor, my lord,
Sir, again you are saying on merits. On merits, this court cannot interfere. Only legal issue is there. Any procedural lapse, something like that, then we will interfere. Otherwise, we will not.
No, the writ petition was admitted on the quantum of penalty only.
Quantum of penalty, this is serious. He should have been dismissed from service.
It was admitted. Therefore, he was let off lightly by imposition of the compulsory retirement. And therefore, the writ court did not interfere.
even during the proceeding, the complainant was not examined.
Huh?
During the departmental proceeding, complainant was not examined.
Who has not been examined?
Complainant who made complaint against me,
Who is the complainant?
Dinesh Mahato.
Huh? He has not been cited as a witness.
He filed an independent FIR.
And complaint is not the document. Complaint is not the list of one of the document. Take page 27.
कहाँ है उसका कंप्लीट 4 मिनट 4 मिनट आने
Any legal ground, sir?
Just I want 1 time minute for
Huh?
I just need 1 day time minute so that I may properly assist.
Not be granted.
May properly assist in proceeding.
Huh?
May properly assist, my lord. I mean,
All right, time will be granted subject to payment of cost. Pay cost 20,000 rupees. 2017 matter, you can't take over your own sweet
counsel-
time.
Counsel was engaged in this case.
Huh?
But senior counsel was engaged in.
Sorry, sir.
So I have received the file just half an hour before, my lord.
Just filing.
I was.
Sir, sorry, in the instant LPA, appellant has resided there on dated 9/5/2017. The appellant, while working as an assistant manager at Amwara Chowk branch of the Central Bank of India, he was is alleged to have committed certain misconduct. And he was subjected to disciplinary proceedings. Brief facts of the case are: gist of the case, as noted by the single judge, reads as under para 4. Para 4 of the single judge order. Sir, the appellant was charge sheeted in a departmental inquiry on 20th 7. He had submitted his explanation denying the alleged charge on 17/1/2007. The disciplinary authority was not satisfied with the explanation and proceeded to hold inquiry while appointing the inquiring officer. The inquiring officer concluded inquiry and submitted report holding that the charges leveled against the appellant were proved. Thereafter, disciplinary authority completed the proceedings while imposing the penalty of compulsory retirement under Regulation 4 within bracket capital G of the Central Bank India, employee within bracket D and A, Regulations 1976. The appellant has exhausted the remedy of appeal before the appellate authority, in which also he has suffered an order. Hence, we have filed writ petition CWJC 7345 of 2009. During pendency of the writ petition, single judge had recorded that writ petition could be heard only on the quantum of punishment. A recording or ordering was not questioned by the appellant in filing LPA. Therefore, he was compelled to restrict his argument before the learned single judge only to the extent of quantum of punishment. On the other hand, before the learned single judge, petitioner submitted that not guilty of the charges and the alleged charge does not amount to misconduct, and it was further argued that compulsory retirement was penalty of compulsory retirement was harsh and disproportionate to charge. The Lord single judge has taken note of the contentions and he had relied on Apex court decision 2017 2 PLJR 634 Ravindranath versus Chairman, Uttar Bihar Gramin Bank, 2015 2 SCC 610 Union of India and others versus P. Gunashekaran, 2003 4 SCC 364 Chairman and Managing Director, United Commercial Bank. He has also of Disciplinary Authorities version, Disciplinary Authorities order and reasons assigned therein. Run counsel for the appellant not address any legal issues so as to overcome the order of disciplinary / appellate and order of the single judge. Normally, there is no scope of judicial review insofar as disciplinary proceedings matters are concerned. Courts and tribunals would interfere in respect of disciplinary matters only if there is any technical issues are involved, like violation of principle of natural justice and violation of rules or regulations, and further if any procedural lapses are involved. Appellate court, the latest decision in the case of State of Karnataka versus Umesh, reported in 2022 6 SCC page number so and so, wherein Appellate court has laid down the following criteria. The appellant has not apprised this court that the appeal would fit into any of the criteria so as to interfere with the impugned order of compulsory retirement read with appellate authorities order and order. Having regard to the alleged charge, imposition of penalty of compulsory retirement would suffice, even though if there is no financial loss caused to the respondent bank, alleged misconduct and charges held against the appellant. In light of these facts and circumstances, appellant has not made out a case. Accordingly, appeals stand dismissed.